What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ignore my edges, y'all. You see how flaky, how harsh these edges look? I just used a new edge. It's called edge booster, something like that. Let me just tell you something. It's so good, but it makes your edges looks ashy, as you can see from mine. But anyways, that's not even what I came for. But as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I am gonna be unboxing my iPad, the 9th generation. I wanted to get the 10th generation, but I was like, do I need the model or do I need the iPad itself? You feel me? First of all, my phone, this is 64 gigabytes and it's gone. Okay, so I had to get me an iPad for me to edit my YouTube videos and just do things, and just because I want an iPad, because why not? Because I'll be using so much space. But an iPad, this iPad is 265 gigabytes. It's the 9th generation. I got the Wi-Fi one. I didn't get the cellular because, like, what do I need my iPad for to connect to my data? I don't need that rubbish because I'm not gonna use it. It's not like something I'm gonna use in the car or something I'm gonna use in, because I don't need all that rubbish. I just need a Wi-Fi. I don't need the cellular. Okay, yes, we're gonna unbox it. I wanted to do without the face, but so I got this for like 588 point something cents. Well, I ordered this on Thursday night. It was very close to like midnight of Friday, and it literally came today, which is Saturday. So it took me about 1.5 days, because the city said it was gonna come on Saturday. I mean, the thing said it was gonna arrive on Monday, but it arrived today, which is Saturday. And I also got stylus pen, because your girl's not finna buy no Apple pencil, because I'm literally gonna lose it. I'm literally gonna lose that shit. Literally, I will lost it. I know I'm not gonna go out buy no $100 pencil because I want to pencil it. The fuck. This is my favorite one. It's pink. I don't like pink, but it was not red, so I got it one because it was the cutest one. It has like a crown there, and one was supposed to come today for my pencil, because there's not a pencil inside, but a pencil thing you stack it something. There's no pencil holder, so I bought one that sticks on top of here. So I'm gonna stick it. I also got the pink one. I'm gonna stick it right so I can put my pencil inside of it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to edit on this place. Like, I've always wanted an iPad for the longest. We're also gonna set it up. Oh my gosh, I have my own iPad. So honestly, who uses this iPhone? I mean, Apple stickers. I never use them because I just wish they were colorful. So we got our charger. Do ASMR. Yeah, that wasn't satisfying, but yeah. Oh, you can see my face. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to get I wanted to get the one with this stain because I love this one with my fingerprints, and I got the one in silver. I did silver. Yeah, and I also customized my name. I customized my name over here. If you see clearly, it says Kenny. Can you guys see? It says Kenny is above. So whoever wants to take my shit, you're gonna say it belongs to Kenny. Okay, we're gonna place this, but before that, let's on it. Let's hello. Why I don't like setting up iPhone products. I don't know why. Insert it first. Hopefully this thing fits. I'm gonna be so mad if it doesn't fit. Oh my god, don't tell me it's too big. What the? What? He's so cute. Yes, it is. It doesn't fit. What does it? Oh, okay. It does fit. Thank God. Hopefully. What? I thought my stuff was scrapped. I was finished. Hey, honey, don't play with me. guys, so this is it. It's kind of like, please let it stand. Well, it stands. I was gonna get a keyboard, but I was like, do I really need a keyboard? So we're gonna press home to open. Guys, I don't know, I'm gonna set this up, but I'm gonna put it like this. So English, country, United States. If your other iPhone doesn't show options for setup, information is running lines. Set up manually. My Wi-Fi. I'm putting my Wi-Fi because y'all don't need to see all this one. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. While it's activating, let's open the next one, which is a pen. Okay. So, okay, we're gonna continue. We're gonna do the touchpad now. Continue. Place your finger. Let's create a password. I'm not gonna use the same thing for my phone, so I'm gonna use the easiest one ever. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from this, transfer directly from my iPad, move from data. Don't transfer apps and data, please don't, because this is brand new and I need it. So let's make sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud, the store, or other Apple. Okay guys, we won't get back when I've already done this my password. Okay guys, we finally got it in. I don't know what this is. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. Another person used to unlock enter iPhone password. Another person used to unlock the iPhone. Oh wow, it didn't just ask me for my own iPhone.
Yeah.
Okay, this is new. Make this your new iPad. Here's everything set up. Here's everything set up as you had on your iPhone. Siri, appearance, more. Don't transfer anything. I don't want anything. Settings, blah blah. Don't transfer here. Please don't transfer nothing, because if you transfer, the thing will just take it. Previous card, passes user wallet. Finally, my iPad is set up. Yay! Okay, now let's go to the settings now. I want to see if my data is still there. My data. Which one is iMovie? 600 and this in gigabytes. I don't even use iMovie. GarageBand 160 gigabyte. Numbers. What the heck is this? What is number gonna do to me? Look, like I got 256 gigabyte. I didn't transfer anything. Please, oh, is my paper still there? Yo, it still show my terabyte iCloud. Ain't no way, bruh. Kenny's iPad, this iPad. That's so nice. Thank God that they didn't transfer anything, because I don't want it. I don't want them to transfer nothing on my phone. Hey Siri, let's see how the camera quality is. Wow, my crusty ass leg. Whoa, the camera quality is bossing. Wait, how do you do screen record? How do you screen record, guys? Oh yeah, I know you gotta bring out screen record from somewhere. Screen. No, not screen that. No, we gotta go to what is it? Control center. Yeah, I remember it was control center. And you gotta bring out screen recording. Yeah, yes, I remember it. So my screen recording is here. So this is the camera quality. How you're liking it? Oh, it's giving her. Now I want to show you guys the back. This is the camera quality. There, it's literally just like your iPhone, but it's not bad. Anyways, we don't need all that one first. So next, I need to delete this one, delete the app, because I don't know what the heck you're doing inside here. Welcome to iMovie. I don't use iMovie, so we have to delete. Whoa, what did I just? No, remove app, delete GarageBand. I don't use that one. What is that? Clips. What is clips? Get the latest notification features in the screen. Allow. What is that one? Oh, what is this? What is this one? What? Bro, what is this? I've never seen. Anyways, we don't need to be doing all this one now. Photo booth. I didn't ask you to put that one for me. Delete. Stocks. I don't do stocks, so you don't need that one here. Delete. What are the next one? The rubbish I don't use here. I'm not gonna use max. I don't use podcasts. Never listen to podcasts, so delete. News. I don't listen to news, so delete. Maps. I don't think I'll need app for this thing, but yeah. I spent the whole year setting up this thing. It was literally annoying me. We have to learn how to use this thing. So this one is my most important one. This is the pencil. Oh. Does it have a charger? Wait, does it have a charger? Okay, yes, it has a charger. This is a charger. So I don't know how this is, so you have to read the instruction, because that's the most important thing. Instruction. Press power button. Okay, powered. The green is showing. Charge the stylus with this thing, which will be here. Magnet. It says it's magnet. Yo, no way. It actually magnet. Guys, I don't think I need that one. Okay, anyways. Replace. Replace the tip, redraw the tip, and install a new one as instructed. A new one? Oh, they gave me a new one. So what is this now? Oh, I don't even need to connect it. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna go through it. Okay, let me screen record this for you guys. I'm moving my page with this. No way. Whoa. What is App Store? Updated. Continue. Updated. I don't know what that is, but okay. App Store. Okay. We can even do a search. Whoa, I can even write. Wait, no way. App Store. No. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this pen. I know it increases the version letters turn off when using app. Okay, not now. I don't need that one. So we need what was the thing I need? It's something I said I wanted to download. I don't know. Something I said I wanted to download. Anyways, I'm just gonna download. Okay, let's draw something. Drawing pad, drawing sketch. Okay, search. Whiteboard. I need Picsart. Definitely need Picsart. Oh yeah, we need to do all this rubbish. Yeah. Drawing, let's see that one. Guys, I'm gonna delete these ones later because I don't need all this rubbish. Because I don't even know how to draw. So that's why it's funny to me. Most importantly, we need YouTube Studio. Let's do for YouTube. We definitely need YouTube on my phone. We definitely need TikTok. Instagram. I definitely need Instagram on here. YouTube Studio, yes, please. I don't need Google. My email, yes. Snapchat, I don't need that one. Happy Music. I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. I just hope I'm not. Do I have update? Oh, 16. The iOS 16. Let me see. The iOS 16. What is numbers? Please don't be putting something I don't know on here. What is numbers? Oh my gosh. Free from Canva. Not be able to create a spreadsheet. Personal budget. Let me see. Monthly budget. Let me see. Schedule. This might be good for me. What the? Okay, wait. How do you? Okay. Sunday. Work. Oh, it's too thick, or however you call it. Oh, I think you just need to reduce it down. Okay, so work. I know I got school and yeah, so school. Well, I don't need all this one, so delete. I don't need that one. Pages. What is pages? If I don't know what it is, I'm not gonna put it on here. What is that one? Oh, pages is my files. I don't even use this mail like this. Google. I don't even use. It's funny because I don't use this mail, so I don't need that one. Keynote. What is Keynote? What is Keynote? Choose a theme. What is this? What is this? Guys. What? Love Kenny loves. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but we're gonna delete that one very soon, because if I don't know what it is, numbers is taking out of my space, so we're gonna delete numbers because I don't need numbers. Where is numbers? Numbers. I think I deleted it. No, guys, we're getting used to this thing. I want it that way. Keynote. Don't need that one, delete. Pages, don't also need that one, delete. TikTok. Okay, we downloaded the most important one. Clips, I don't need that one. Okay, so guys, those are all the ones I need right now. What else do I need? YouTube tracker. Yeah, this is for my YouTube, so I need a YouTube tracker, YouTube count, YouTube studio. I have YouTube studio, YouTube body, most importantly Phonto. Definitely need to get Phonto, Canva. Definitely need that one. Yeah. What else do I need? I think this we're gonna stop the video from oh, can't forget CapCut. Oh my gosh, how can I forget CapCut? Two body Phonto, we got that one. CapCut, yeah. YouTube tracker, everything, we done that. Yeah, Lightroom, can't forget my Lightroom. We also need Polar for that one. Again, what else do we need? I got that one. That is all I need for my YouTube things. If I need to download anything with again, I'm gonna do that one later. But I need to up this thing. How do I do this? Okay, I need to stop screen recording. How do you stop screen recording? Okay, we're getting used to this thing. I'm trying to pull it down. So I'm just gonna stop. Okay, that's all the things you need now. I'm going to update my iPad. Let me play my playlist for you guys. My Afro playlist, my favorite song. Where is the audio?
I want to use my last I spend the money. My pastor's been over me. I've been TikTok, been over me. Got you call I'm down for this, but you don't know I'm the one for you. Those kisses are reminiscing. Many things what you do for me. Many things what you do for me. I want to use my last cat to spoil your life for. I want to go back and tell my shit they shut I love you. You get to see when you did to me and I'll be explain. Baby, you make me color. I've been out here thinking. I've been smoking.
we're gonna get copyrighted by this video, but who cares, right? Who cares? What is, oh my god, split screen. I didn't know about this. To set my wallpaper, everything, but not now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I had some little struggle because, like I said, it's my first time doing this, and I love this pen, so cute. But there's nothing else for me to show you guys except from literally nothing. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. This video was too long. Comment down below if there's anything I need to know about iPad. I know this is not my first time using iPad because I've used my dad's iPad before, but like me personally, I'm owning my whole iPad. It just seems so unreal to me. Like, well, we just spent like $1,000 on an iPad. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's about to die. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video, and bye.